This is actually my second career. Originally, I was in culinary and I made the switch over to being a hiking guide, which then led me into the conservation world. My name is Isabelle Thériault. I am a third-year student, originally from Quebec City, and I am currently in the Environmental and Conservation Sciences program here at YukonU. I landed on Yukon University because of the small classroom sizes, the remoteness, and the access to nature. The university has been absolutely great. The teachers here are absolutely phenomenal. We have experts in different fields like ornithology, like wildlife conservation and biology and all of those. I'm very much surprised by the quality of instruction here. One reason I love this university is that everyone really truly cares about each other, and I think that's really wonderful. Everyone wants to see each other succeed, and it doesn't feel like a dog-eat-dog world. It doesn't feel like people are wishing for you to fail so that they can succeed, and I think it's one of the most supportive environments I've been in a long time. I would like to do a master's once I finish with my bachelor's here at the university, and I am looking to potentially do it here in the Yukon. And I think I would like to focus that on bird conservation. I think that would be really amazing. The North has so many unexplored opportunities. There's so much we don't know about the North that I think it would be really cool to study that. And I think this school has set me up perfectly in order to reach that. The university to me means a bit of a second chance, and having these smaller class sizes and having these connections to teachers have actually allowed me to succeed in school and have given me a second opportunity at a career.